Welcome to Healthy Care, your trusted source for valuable health advice. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions: fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis. Did you know that over 40% of adults in the US are affected by this condition? Fatty liver disease can lead to a range of serious health problems, including weight gain, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and even cardiovascular disease. That's why it's so important to understand how to manage and reverse this condition before it takes a toll on your overall well-being. Your liver isn't just the body's primary detoxifying organ, it plays an essential role in regulating your metabolism, balancing hormones, and storing vital nutrients. It holds important vitamins like A, D, E, K, and B12, and produces bile, which is crucial for breaking down fats and eliminating waste. But when the liver becomes overloaded with fat due to poor diet, excessive sugar intake, or consuming too many processed carbohydrates and unhealthy fats, its ability to function properly is compromised. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, increased fat storage in the liver cells, and a cascade of health issues like hormone imbalances, discomfort in the right side of the abdomen, and a decline in metabolic efficiency. Reversing fatty liver is not only possible, but it's also essential for improving your overall health and quality of life. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 6 powerful vitamins, herbs, and supplements that have been shown to help cleanse fat from the liver and prevent further damage. But that's not all. We'll also explore some simple yet effective lifestyle changes you can make to tackle the root causes of fatty liver disease head-on. These strategies can help you restore liver function, support your metabolism, and protect your body from long-term health risks. So, if you're ready to take control of your liver health, stay tuned and let's get started on your journey to better health with Healthy Care. 1. Choline. Choline is one of the most important nutrients for maintaining liver health and reversing fatty liver disease. It plays a critical role in fat metabolism by promoting the production of bile, a substance necessary for breaking down dietary fats and removing toxins from the liver. Without sufficient choline, the liver struggles to move fats out of its cells, leading to the buildup of triglycerides and the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. In fact, choline deficiency is considered a significant risk factor for NAFLD, as well as other metabolic disorders. Choline is also involved in synthesizing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that supports cognitive functions like memory, learning, and attention. This makes choline not only vital for liver health but also for brain function. Foods high in choline include beef liver, eggs, salmon, shrimp, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. While these foods provide a natural source of choline, supplementation with CDP choline 300 mg daily can further enhance the liver's ability to process fats and toxins effectively. 2. Vitamin D with K2. Vitamin D, commonly known as the sunshine vitamin, is essential for overall health, particularly for maintaining the immune system and reducing inflammation. When it comes to liver health, research shows that individuals with fatty liver disease often have a vitamin D deficiency. This deficiency not only weakens the body's defense against chronic inflammation, but also hinders the liver's ability to regenerate and repair damaged cells. In the absence of adequate vitamin D, the liver becomes more susceptible to fibrosis, a condition where scar tissue forms and impairs liver function. Vitamin D works best when paired with vitamin K2, specifically the MK7 form, as these two nutrients complement each other. While vitamin D helps to regulate calcium levels in the body, Vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is directed away from soft tissues like the liver and arteries, where it could cause calcification and damage. Together, they support the liver's healing processes, reduce inflammation, and prevent scar tissue from forming. A daily dose of 20,000 IU of vitamin D3, along with 200 mcg of vitamin K2, is an effective combination to protect and regenerate liver cells. If your lifestyle limits your exposure to sunlight, or you have genetic mutations that affect vitamin D synthesis, supplementation is crucial for maintaining liver health. 3. TUDCA, tauroursodeoxycholic acid. TUDCA, or tauroursodeoxycholic acid, is a bile salt that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat liver disorders. Bile salts like TUDCA are essential for digesting fats and ensuring the liver can eliminate waste efficiently. Many people with fatty liver disease have impaired bile production, which can lead to difficulties in fat digestion, gallbladder problems, and even gallstones. TUDCA not only helps to thin bile, making it easier for the liver to process, but it also plays a protective role in liver cells by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. TUDCA is particularly beneficial for individuals who have had their gallbladder removed, as it compensates for the loss of bile production from the gallbladder. Regular intake of 1 to 2 capsules of TUDCA in the morning on an empty stomach can help clean out fat from the liver, reduce the risk of gallstone formation, and improve the liver's detoxification pathways. Additionally, it helps to regulate cholesterol levels, which are often elevated in individuals with fatty liver disease. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. In the context of liver health, oxidative stress is a major factor in the progression of fatty liver disease to more severe conditions like cirrhosis. Choline, a specific form of vitamin E, have been shown to be especially effective in supporting liver health. They are 50 times more potent than the standard tocopherol form of vitamin E and have the unique ability to reduce liver inflammation and dissolve scar tissue fibrosis. One of the liver's primary roles is to produce glutathione, an antioxidant that neutralizes toxins and prevents cell damage. However, when the liver is fatty or inflamed, glutathione levels drop, leaving the liver vulnerable to further damage. Tocotrienols help boost glutathione production, restoring the liver's natural defense mechanisms. Foods rich in vitamin E include sunflower seeds, almonds, avocados, and leafy green vegetables. However, to maximize the liver protective effects, supplementing with tocotrienols can significantly enhance liver function and reverse damage caused by oxidative stress. 5. Milk thistle silymarin. Milk thistle is a well-known herbal remedy for liver health, with silymarin as its active compound. Silymarin has potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying properties, making it one of the best natural supplements for treating liver disorders, including fatty liver disease. It works by enhancing the liver's ability to regenerate damaged cells and boosting the production of glutathione. Silymarin also helps reduce insulin resistance, which is often the root cause of fatty liver disease, particularly in those with metabolic syndrome. Studies have shown that taking milk thistle extract can improve liver enzyme levels, indicating reduced liver inflammation. Additionally, milk thistle helps the liver detoxify harmful substances like alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins. Taking milk thistle, in its whole form, spread out 3 times per day, can significantly improve liver function over time. It is especially effective for individuals who have liver damage due to long-term medication use or alcohol consumption. 6. Same S. Adenosyl methionine. Same is a naturally occurring compound that plays a vital role in the liver's detoxification processes. It acts as a methyl donor in phase II detoxification, helping to convert harmful toxins into water-soluble compounds that can be easily excreted from the body. Same is particularly useful for individuals with fatty liver disease, because it helps to lower inflammation and boost glutathione production, the liver's primary antioxidant. Same also supports liver regeneration by promoting the repair of liver cells damaged by oxidative stress and free radicals. Studies show that supplementing with same can significantly improve liver enzyme levels, reduce inflammation, and enhance the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances. Starting with a low dose of 200 mg per day and gradually increasing to 200 mg can provide substantial benefits for liver health. Let's now shift our focus to some essential lifestyle changes that, when combined with the right vitamins and supplements, can significantly accelerate liver healing and fat reduction. While vitamins like choline, vitamin D, and tocotrienols provide the building blocks for liver repair, long-lasting results depend heavily on sustainable habits. A healthy liver isn't just the product of the nutrients you put into your body, but also the choices you make, everyday choices that can either nurture or further damage this vital organ. By incorporating the following lifestyle changes, you can address the root causes of fatty liver disease and support your liver's ability to regenerate, cleanse itself, and function at its best. 1. Clean up your diet. The liver is highly sensitive to the foods we eat, and a diet high in sugar, starchy, and processed foods is one of the leading contributors to fatty liver disease. Excess sugar, particularly fructose, is metabolized in the liver, where it is converted into fat. Over time, this leads to fat accumulation in the liver cells, contributing to NAFLD. Therefore, eliminating foods like bread, sweets, cakes, soda, and especially fructose-rich fruit juices is crucial in reversing fatty liver. Even though fruits are generally considered healthy, certain fruits that are high in fructose, such as mangoes, grapes, and pineapples, should be consumed in moderation. This doesn't mean you need to completely cut out all carbs, but shifting towards complex carbohydrates such as whole grains and vegetables can reduce the burden on the liver and improve overall metabolism. Opting for low glycemic fruits like berries or apples in limited amounts can satisfy sweet cravings without overloading the liver. 2. Incorporate bitter, sulfur-rich foods. Sulfur-rich vegetables are nature's liver cleansers. Foods such as leafy greens, artichokes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and radishes contain compounds that promote bile production and detoxification, which are essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. Bitter foods, in particular, stimulate bile flow and support digestion, which helps the liver efficiently process dietary fats and remove harmful substances. These vegetables are also packed with antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress, a key factor in the progression of fatty liver disease. Increasing your intake of these bitter and sulfur-rich foods helps boost the body's natural production of glutathione, the liver's master antioxidant. This not only detoxifies the liver but also aids in reducing fat deposits and preventing inflammation. 3. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is one of the most effective dietary strategies for improving liver health. By eating within a specific time window such as 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. and fasting for the remaining hours, you give your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to focus on repairing and regenerating damaged cells. When you fast for longer periods, your body enters a state called autophagy, where it breaks down old, damaged cells and recycles their components, leading to the creation of new, healthy cells. This process is particularly beneficial for the liver, as it helps reduce fat buildup and inflammation. Moreover, intermittent fasting helps regulate insulin levels, which are often elevated in individuals with fatty liver disease. By lowering insulin and giving the liver time to rest, fasting helps to reverse insulin resistance, one of the primary drivers of fat accumulation in the liver. 4. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for liver function. Drinking at least 1 liter of mineral-rich water daily helps thin the blood, which makes it easier for the liver to transport fats for metabolism. Staying hydrated also supports the liver in its detoxification processes, flushing out toxins more efficiently. To enhance these benefits, add freshly squeezed lemon juice to your water. Lemon contains citric acid, which stimulates bile production and improves the liver's filtration capabilities, helping to remove toxins and reduce fat storage. Herbal teas such as dandelion root tea or green tea are also excellent choices for supporting hydration, while providing additional liver detoxification benefits. 5. Avoid inflammatory oils. The type of fats you consume has a direct impact on your liver health. Inflammatory oils like corn, cottonseed, canola, soybean, and other processed seed oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, which promote inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver. Chronic consumption of these oils contributes to liver inflammation and increases the risk of liver disease. Instead, switch to anti-inflammatory fats such as extra virgin olive oil, which contains monounsaturated fats that have been shown to improve liver enzyme levels and reduce liver fat accumulation. Virgin coconut oil is another excellent option, as it contains medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs), which are easier for the liver to metabolize and help improve fat-burning capacity. Additionally, incorporating omega-3 fatty acids from sources like wild-caught salmon, sardines, or flax seeds can further support liver health by reducing inflammation. 6. Support bile production. One of the liver's most critical functions is bile production, which aids in fat digestion and toxin elimination. When bile production is insufficient, fats can accumulate in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease and gallbladder problems. Taking a purified bile supplement in the morning on an empty stomach can help stimulate bile flow and support the liver's ability to eliminate lipids. Supplements like Tugia taurosodeoxycholic acid, purified bile salts, or digestive enzyme blends containing ox bile can be particularly beneficial for those with low bile production, or those who have had their gallbladder removed. Supporting bile production also helps prevent gallstones from forming and ensures that fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are properly absorbed. If you struggle with fat digestion or experience bloating after fatty meals, bile supplements can help improve your digestion and protect your liver from further fat buildup. To wrap things up, taking care of your liver is essential, not just for improving your energy levels, digestion, and overall health, but also for preventing more serious conditions down the line. By incorporating the right vitamins, making small but impactful changes to your diet, and adopting healthy habits like intermittent fasting and staying hydrated, you can help your liver regenerate and function at its best. Remember, your liver plays a central role in your well-being, so the effort you put into nourishing it will pay off in the long run. I hope the tips shared in this video help you on your journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with all our latest health tips and advice. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new content that can make a real difference in your health and wellness journey. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.